Hello, welcome to this new episode of Genius Lab. In this video I'm going to show you where to find and how to use the Volatility Index in your Genius platform. Whether you are a long-term investor looking to minimize risks, or an active trader seeking quick profits through price variations, the key is to understand volatility. The team at Genius Station has created and integrated the Volatility Index, so that you can know in real time when and on which product to operate. Explanation: the Volatility Index is a crucial tool for assessing the risk associated with investments, by measuring the price fluctuations of financial assets. It enables investors and traders to better understand the financial environment and adjust their strategies accordingly. This index is essential for those who wish to analyze and manage financial risk more effectively. Whether you are a long-term investor looking to minimize risks, an active trader looking to profit from price variations, or an experienced professional wanting to optimize investment decisions, understanding the Volatility Index is essential. Where to find the Volatility Index? The Volatility Index is available for each instrument in the chart header. Simply display a value on a chart to find the Volatility Index in the chart header. The Volatility Index is also available in the Super Screener of the Genius Station AI platform. It allows you to select and sort values by their volatility levels. How the Volatility Index is calculated. Genius Station uses the logarithmic returns of financial asset prices to calculate the Volatility Index. This precise method allows for accurately measuring price fluctuations and assessing the risk level for investors. Interpreting the Volatility Index. 3 colors highlight the index level. A red-colored index indicates low volatility, signaling relative investment stability. In orange, a moderate index suggests increased risk, while a high green index indicates strong volatility with a higher risk level. In summary. Definition: the index measures price fluctuations of investments. Use: evaluate the risk associated with your investments. Calculation method: using logarithmic returns to measure volatility. Volatility classification: low volatility, less than 0.02, red. Moderate volatility, 0.02 to 0.05, orange. High volatility, greater than 0.05, green. Examples of uses according to volatility level. Low volatility. Long-term investors can benefit from investment stability. Moderate volatility. Active traders can profit from larger fluctuations. High volatility. Experienced traders can capture lucrative opportunities despite increased risk. The Volatility Index is available exclusively on Genius Station AI, the smart trading and investment platform. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next Genius Lab episode.